This is Abhinandan, August 15th. It's about 2:30 p.m. I just stayed this side. I thought I'll never make a recording, but I saw the Indian company called Bajaj. Uma, can you see Uma? Okay, Bajaj. And next to Bajaj is Hero, our Hero Honda. These two companies manufacture here their bikes. Okay, Discover. So even in Medellin and even most of the Bogota, you will see that. Okay, these two are Indian companies, Hero and Bajaj. Honda and all is Japanese one. This is Abhinandan here. Okay, here it is not like as like in Medellin. Can you see the mountains over there? It's not very huge. Like in Medellin, it is like twice the height of Tirupati hills and houses on that. So I am walking to the bus station to see I can extend my bus ticket for I Palace. I Palace is a border town of Colombia and Ecuador. Colombia and Ecuador. Now Cali is not as beautiful as Medellin, and neither the girls are very beautiful. Okay, or maybe because my owner over there, owner in Medellin told Cali girls are more beautiful than Medellin. Okay, but so far I did not see any. Like in Medellin, you see 1 out of 5 lady or a female will be something very attractive. Anyhow, I'll not talk the topic. Now coming to the point is that I am in a dilemma. The funny dilemma is very dangerous also, very critical also, is that my visa in Colombia for exactly 6 months finishes on 23rd. I do not know it is 22nd last day or 23rd is the last day. 23rd night 12 o'clock. Now one thing. Second thing is, I did not know that the yellow fever vaccination I had to take 10 days before. If you are going from Colombia or Brazil or Bolivia or Peru to Ecuador, because they have this mosquito fever in border towns. If you stay 10 days or above in Colombia, you should take that injection. And for my luck, when I came from Medellin to Cali, in a bus, in the double-decker duo bus, and I had to wait over there before coming over here to the Airbnb. You know what? Luckily, I spoke to someone guy next to me. He told here only it will open at 8 o'clock. So he asked me a lot of questions, whether you are allergic to eggs, whether you have a thrombosis. You have that hill over there, and somewhere there's a nice statue of Lord Jesus Christ also. That is a different thing. So you whole day from morning till 2 o'clock, sending messages, responding. One out of some 300 responses, one response would be very good. And by the time I was going for a bath, one candidate from Guwahati responded very professionally, and I sent a 30 minutes audio. It became 2:30, and the Airbnb host offered me lunch. Okay, so I ate that. I can go by a cab or a taxi or by a bus also, but it's a 1.6 kilometer. I thought I'll walk because C20 means for sale. This building is for sale. See, can you see the mountains surrounding? But Medellin is very beautiful. Here it is very hot. Not very hot, but hot. But Medellin weather is very good. Now I thought I'll record though I'm walking, and so now 23rd only I will be able to 14th I took the vaccination. 14th, 15th, 16th, 17, 18, then 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh my God, 23 is the 9th day. Did I count correctly? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23rd is the 10th day. I do not know whether 10 days should finish or what. They are very strict with that yellow fever vaccination. Okay. So I thought Kali only 2 days I'm there. So I thought 3 days. So I thought let me extend another 2 days. There are a lot of events today. There is one event of the black people. Okay. The black people who were bought by the Spanish people as slaves 500 years ago. Okay, they have formed their own community and they are mostly in the specific region, which only 2% of Colombian population stays there. And most of these people are, she looks like Deepika Padukone. Okay. Now, most of the people in that strip border in the specific region, specific ocean side are mostly, I heard, the African community. It's a poor area also, I heard. So somewhere I could see. Now coming, so one day I miss, I'll become illegal here and I have to pay a penalty in Colombia, and next time I'll be questioned if I come. Why did I stay? Why you did not plan to go before? Or I can be denied entry also. Oh, I did not know this fever vaccination, yellow fever vaccination. Okay. If not, I would have taken. I was frightened to take also. I'm afraid. Okay. I'm afraid of vaccination, but not of people. So, my impression of Cali was about that from Pablo Escobar cartel. The two world's biggest cartel, drug cartel, was in Colombia. One was in Medellin, controlled by Pablo Escobar, and another one was Cali Brothers. They were actually business people, businessmen. Okay, you know that one you have to see the TV serial. So, because of Bajaj and Hero, I started recording. I thought I'll walk and go. See, you don't find it so neat like in Medellin. Bogota is also very dirty in some areas, but Medellin, the beauty about it is 98% of the area it is very beautiful, neat, super neat, like an American standard neatness, like a Japanese standard neatness, Japanese or Taiwan standard neatness. Okay, but here it is like our Indian place. Now, somewhere I saw yesterday a statue of Jesus Christ on the mountain yesterday when I walked. So today there is some cultural event, and I thought I'll go to the fruit market. This is be a good potential for my health device. Okay, because they are into aesthetic, beauty and all. Let me find it out. So while I'm walking, I'm recording. If I go by a taxi or something, in 5 minutes I can reach, but I like to walk and see. My only worry is about this last day, and that too it is on Saturday. But I thought if I go too early on 17th, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 5 days I'll be in Ipalis. Ipalis is a very small town, border town, but there's a very famous church. a very famous miracle church. It is having a documentation 2,500 plus documented miracles happened there. You have to walk and go to the church. Okay, here these people are Catholic, I think. They told I don't mind walking. So that is famous for the church, and many people in. Wow, this is a nice this one. Let me go that side. While I'm talking, I'll never know where I am. So that's a nice. Okay, that's like a tank made out of stone. Let me cross here. Chevrolet. After this 3 or 4 car go, I will jump, though it is not the right thing to do. Oh, other vehicles came out. There is a crossing point. Okay, anyhow, I'll see like that only. Okay. It's a statue of a tank. Now there you can see the statue of Jesus Christ. Let me project. It's become very dark. Wait. Let me